Are you struggling with common skin problems such as dullness, sagging, and uneven skin tone? In today's world, these issues are all too common, and finding a solution that's not only effective but also natural and cost-friendly can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a way to combat these skin concerns using ingredients you can find in your kitchen? Let's dive into the world of DIY skincare and introduce a skin tightening and brightening cream that you can make at home. This cream harnesses the natural power of 3 key ingredients: rice, aloe vera, and sandalwood powder. Each of these ingredients brings unique benefits to your skin, working together to fight dullness, sagging, and uneven tones, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated and glowing. So if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, stay tuned to discover how to make a skin cream that is not only natural, but also effective in combating common skin issues. Before diving into the process, understand why these ingredients are the key to a healthier-looking skin. Every ingredient in our DIY skin tightening and brightening cream has been carefully chosen for its unique benefits. Let's start with rice. Rice isn't just a staple in our diets, it's also a powerhouse for skincare. It's full of antioxidants that help to fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause damage to our skin. Antioxidants, like those found in rice, help to slow down the aging process, keeping skin looking young and fresh. Rice also contains a compound called ferulic acid, which acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Next up, we have aloe vera. This plant is a skincare superstar, renowned for its hydrating and soothing properties. It's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that work together to moisturize the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's great for soothing irritated skin. And if that wasn't enough, aloe vera can also stimulate the production of collagen, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Finally, let's talk about sandalwood powder. This aromatic powder is a secret weapon in the fight against aging. It's known for its ability to reduce signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, thanks to its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. But the benefits don't stop there. Sandalwood powder also helps to brighten the skin, giving it a radiant glow. It does this by gently exfoliating the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing the fresh, bright skin underneath. So as you can see, rice, aloe vera, and sandalwood powder each bring something special to the table. They work together to hydrate, soothe, protect, and brighten your skin, all while fighting off signs of aging. Now that we know why these ingredients are beneficial, it's time to learn how to transform them into an effective skin cream. Scene script. Gather your ingredients: a cup of rice, a spoonful of aloe vera gel, and a teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's dive into the process of making this skin tightening and brightening cream. This cream is not only easy to make but also works wonders on your skin, leaving it feeling rejuvenated and glowing. Our first step is to deal with the rice. Rice is a powerhouse of skin-beneficial nutrients, so we want to make sure we're extracting as much of that goodness as possible. Begin by washing the rice thoroughly. You'll want to rinse it several times until the water runs clear. This step is crucial to ensure we remove any impurities or dust that might be clinging to the rice grains. Once you're satisfied with the cleanliness of your rice, it's time to soak it. Soaking the rice not only softens the grains, but also helps to release the nutrients that we're interested in. So find a bowl and fill it with enough water to fully submerge your cup of rice. Leave this to sit for about an hour. Now, while we wait for our rice, let's take a moment to appreciate the other 2 ingredients we'll be using. Aloe vera gel is known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, while sandalwood powder can help soothe and brighten the skin. These 2 ingredients, combined with our nutrient-rich rice paste, will create a skin cream that's truly special. After an hour, you'll notice that your rice has softened considerably. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now, it's time to transform this rice into a paste. Drain the soaked rice and transfer it to a blender or food processor. Grind it until you achieve a smooth paste. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Remember, the smoother the paste, the more effective our cream will be. Now we move on to the next step, which involves our other 2 key ingredients. With our rice paste ready, it's time to add in the rest of our ingredients. Firstly, let's mix in the aloe vera gel. Try to blend it well with the rice paste, ensuring that there are no lumps left. Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, and it will add a refreshing touch to our cream. Next, we're going to incorporate the sandalwood powder. Sprinkle it in gradually and stir it in until it's fully mixed in with our rice and aloe vera gel mixture. The sandalwood powder will not only add a pleasant aroma to our cream, but it's also known for its skin brightening effects. As you stir, you'll notice that our mixture starts to take on a creamy consistency. This is exactly what we're aiming for. A smooth, creamy paste that's easy to apply on the skin. Now that our DIY skin tightening and brightening cream is ready, it's time to put it to use. Apply this cream generously on your face, making sure to avoid the eye area. Let it sit on your skin for about 30 minutes. This will allow all the nourishing ingredients to sink in and work their magic. After the 30 minutes are up, wash it off with lukewarm water. You'll immediately notice that your skin feels tighter and looks brighter. This cream not only nourishes your skin, but also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And there you have it, a simple, natural, and effective DIY skin tightening and brightening cream that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Remember, the key to seeing the best results is consistency. Try to use this cream at least twice a week for a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. So we have our DIY skin tightening and brightening cream ready. Remember, consistent use of this cream will give you the best results. Now that we've created our DIY skin cream, let's go over the benefits once again. This concoction is a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients designed to tighten, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin. The rice, a staple in Asian skincare, is a natural skin-tightening agent, helping to reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. The aloe vera, a desert plant with incredible healing properties, soothes and moisturizes, while the sandalwood powder adds a touch of brightness, leaving your skin with a natural glow. But the best part? You've created this all-natural solution right in your own kitchen. No more guessing about what's in your skincare products. You know exactly what went into this cream and what you're putting on your skin. By making this cream at home, not only will you save money, but you'll also have a natural solution to common skin problems. Give it a try.